In 3 minutes, I will show you how you can tie beautiful gele styles that will stay all day. Yes. Let's get started. Get your 3-layer ashoke fabric and then tie it from back to front and then cross it in the center in front like this, crisscross, and then you're going to arrange it in this manner. Focus your eyes and see how I'm arranging this gele fabric without you doing too much. So you can see the way I'm arranging it. It's just like a rough plate. I take it to the left side and then the one on the right side, I am going to be squeezing it to meet the one on the left side and pin it together in the middle so that it doesn't have any openings. And then once you've done that, the next thing that you're going to do is to squeeze it together in a ruffle manner and use your pin to pin the ruffle in place at the back. And then you're going to repeat this until you exhaust all the fabric on the right side, guys. And once you've done with that, you are going to be 80% done with this headwrap style. Yeah, focus your eyes to how I'm doing it. If you are watching me for the first time, this is African Beautiful Fashion Lifestyle. I teach you how to do DIY trendy Owambe gele style scarf. Think of anything headwrap. This is my mission. I want you to be able to do it without you sweating. And the last one, I'm just going to pin it down right there. So if you are seeing me today and you are enjoying this tutorial and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel today for more beautiful headwrap DIY tutorials like this, and you will be rocking that next party without you paying anybody a dime. And then arrange the other side, the one on the left side, in a rough plate manner. You're going to be tucking in the excess at the back. And guess what? You are done. Yes, you are done. This headwrap style is very giving, very simple, and very beautiful. I would like for you to give it a try and let me know what you think about this style. Yes, see how the headwrap just stays seated on my head. This is going to be our style number 1. Yes, style number 1 is ready, and you are good to rock that next Owambe party in a stylish gele style that you can do by yourself in less than 3 minutes. Okay, guys? Add your jewelries and you are good. Look at the back. Very simple and very beautiful. Will you be giving this a try? Let me know what you think about this headwrap style in the comment section, guys. All right, go rock that party. Do it yourself. So let's do another twist. So we're going to remove the left side that we're tucking at the back in a rough plate, and we're going to fold it on top of the ruffle and tuck in the excess at the back, and that will be our style number 2. This is another simple way to style your stylish gele design. Thank you for watching African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. I think I like this style too. Which one is for you, 1 or 2? Thanks for watching.